Okay, folks, here's 3 more chart requests from over here inside of the Discord. If you guys have chart requests, just put them in right here in the chart request thread. I'm just taking them right from here. The first one we're looking at here today is going to be Intel INTC. This thing is absolutely ripping, almost hitting $100. I think it hit $100 after hours last night, but I actually opened a short on Intel. I think it was like 2 days ago. It did go up a little bit from where I opened the short. But again, if we're looking at this from a logical perspective, okay, we have this thing over here called the cheat sheet. Okay, so something we pay attention to on this channel is the mean, right? We want to look at the averages because the only way we know we're getting a fair price on something is if we're buying it into the average price. So the average price that we look at the most here on our channel is the weekly 200 EMA. What that represents, that blue line represents, is the average price over 4 years. So anytime a name is up off of the average, okay, this is when people are excited. This is when people are having a good time, right? This is when people are greedy. Okay, they don't think it's ever going to come down, and eventually it will, right? Because when we get that separation, okay, we're buying it at a premium. So right now, okay, Intel's sitting up here at $94 when the average is sitting all the way down here at $36. So $36 is the average price over 4 years. Okay, so you're buying, if you were to buy Intel today, you're buying it at a 61% premium. And I know all the influencers, I know that the news channels, I know that everybody's talking about it right now, and that's what normally happens up here. Okay, everyone starts talking about it. Everyone's, right, saying it's going to the moon. It's the next NVIDIA, whatever. We call it the mania phase. This is where we want to be taking profits. Okay, if there's nothing to take profits on, we can short it. So I'm actually short on this. I want to see it at least come back down into the orange line. That's at 65. I think the puts I opened are for like 50 bucks, but I'm definitely short Intel here. And again, it could keep going up a little bit in the short term, but I do think it's going to have a retracement. The next one we're looking at is Robinhood. Robinhood also took a really big dump here from October. We got our sell signal. Again, if you guys are familiar with our trading strategy, we look to sell the red dot up here, and we want to buy the green dot down here. So we got this green dot. This is our buy signal back here in March. That came at around $69. Okay, it went as low as 63. But it's literally sitting right back on the spot where we got the signal. So I do like Robinhood here. It's not too close to that 4-year moving average, but we're sitting just below the yearly. So again, this could come back down to like 50 bucks, but I do like it here with the green dot up here at 72. But if you wanted to set a stop loss, you would just use the previous low there at 63. So above 63, it's bullish. If it breaks 63, it's most likely going to come back down here to 46 to $50. You can just average down at that spot. But I do like Robinhood here. Again, we want to buy when this wave is down here. Okay, the last time that happened was a long time ago. And then AMD, same thing. We're short AMD. We're short chips here just because of the extension.